Okay, this video I'll share to you woodworking asymmetric bench in this tutorial. Okay, let's begin. First of all, we have to make the basic shape with using the line and click to this origin, and we can drag to the above around 500 and enter, and we can move the cursor to the right side on the red axis like this around 1.2 meter and enter, and we can drag to the bottom on the blue axis around 500 millimeter also, and we can close this polyline like this. Okay, now we can make the asymmetrical part of this bench. We can click this line, click this endpoint, and drag to the another side around 500 millimeter and enter, and we can click to this endpoint. Then we can select erase. Okay, now we can continue to click erase with using erase tool and click this line to erase this line, and then we can make the curve in here with using 2-point arc. We can click this 2-point arc and click from this edge and click to this edge until it appears the magenta color like this. Then we can double click until it could be our arc corner like this. Okay, then now we can click this line, this curve, and click this line with using shift on keyboard and click this vertical line. Then we can select offset tool and click this edge and drag to the inside around 50 millimeter and enter. Okay, then we can click erase and erase the line and erase this line. Okay, then we can click the surface, click this push pull, click the surface to the behind around 40 millimeter, enter. Okay, then we can triple click, right click, and make component and create, and we can assign with the wood material like this. Okay, then we can click move, click corner, and tap control and place to this position first, and then we can move a little bit around 10 millimeter, enter. Okay, then we can select move, tap control, click this endpoint and place to this endpoint, and then we can type X 40 and enter. Sorry, we have to erase some unnecessary object over there. Okay, now we can make the connection between for every single wood bench like this. We can make the connection. We can use a circle, click this position, and we can set the radius around 6 millimeter and click the surface, click push pull, click the surface and place to this position. Okay, then we can triple click, make group, and we can assign with the metal materials. We can assign with the black metal like this, and we can set the color. Okay, we can click this one and click this circle outline, edit, copy, and triple click on this wood, and we can edit and paste in place like this. So we can click the surface and push pull and push until the limit like this. Okay, so we can make a hole on this one. Okay, now we can continue. We can click this circle. can click this connector and select move, tap control, click this one and place to this position, and then we can type 3/ and enter. Okay, then we can triple click and click this circle and select move, tap control and place to the appropriate position like this. Okay, approximately just like this. Okay, then we can click this circle and place to this behind. Okay. Okay, then we can see about the connection like this, and we can click this circle, select move and place to this position. Okay, and we can click this one, select move and place to this position. Okay, now we can triple click this circle, edit, copy, exit from the group, and click this wood, edit, paste in place, and push it until the behind. And again, this one, can click this circle, copy, okay, and paste in place on the wood, and push until the limit. And also this one, click the circle, edit, copy, okay, and paste in place and push until the limit. And again, click this outline. Okay, you can just click this one and paste in place. Okay, you can click again, copy and paste in place. Okay, so you can follow this step to do with another connection on this woodworking. Okay, I think it's enough, and I will show you about the dimension. Okay, just like this, and we can activate the shadow and activate the white model. And okay, this is the result of woodworking of the asymmetrical bench. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.